Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. So just click and hold power button and click on restart. After click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so turn on hotspot. So click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connection and sharing and click on personal hotspot. After click on personal hotspot, so you will check your hotspot button is turned on. So hotspot button is turned off. So turn on hotspot button. After turn on hotspot button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So check internet connection. You will check your internet connection is work properly. So your internet connection is work properly. So you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart all settings. Click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset. Reset phone. Reset all settings. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all settings. It's not linear. Remove your phone memory and data. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so check your software update. So click on system update and check your software update. After check software update, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.